Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Torah School Online. After a few other projects, it's now time to put some wire on the trees again. After it was exhibited a few times last year, this Mugo pine is now without wire and it was resting for a few months. But now, after the new shoots are grown and the needles are hard, it is time to wire it again. But before we start with work, here is a short history of this tree. Okay, as this tree is mature already, I will try to use as less wire as possible. I will start with this bottom branch and then I will progress towards the top. You may notice that I'm not using the scissors for removing the old needles. Well, the technique depends on the needles itself. If the needles are easy to remove, then I just pull them off with the fingers. But when the needles are hard to remove, then I use scissors. Again, these needles are easy to remove with fingers. If they were difficult to pluck, it could damage the dormant buds, and so I would use the scissors. Now with new sets of wire it is time to shape the top. I already did, and I will also do some structural cuts, but mainly it is about wiring. Before I show you the final result, I just want to share with you another surprise given to me by my old house. In the old piles of old tiles we find this one with dragon motif on it. Really cool. I will use it for sure somewhere. And here it is, the final result, the tree with much lighter and defined crown. The wire will stay on the tree for the next 3, maybe 4 years, but for the exhibitions the tree will be ready again next year. Okay, we reached the end of the video. I hope that you enjoy it. Thank you for all your support and see you all in the next one.